Hello Different Tech Buzz, another product in, and this time we've got another kind of massage gun in, or what they call percussive massagers, and this time it's from Actigun. So these are quite popular in the market today and a lot of people seem to be interested in them, so I'm going to give you a walk over this one here and tell you what it's all about and what it's like. Now I've tested this out obviously, and it does really make a little bit of a difference for massaging, all that kind of stuff, and joints and pains and all that kind of jazz. And you have different instruments here, as you can see in the package. Some look a bit questionable when it comes to massaging products. They look more like other products which I don't need to mention, but that's what they're like, and that's what a lot of these packages come with. So we're going to go through all that and explain it, what it's all about. So first of all, we're going to go through and show you what's inside the package. And this comes with an AI chip to react to the condition of your muscles and the exact percussive strength that you need, and has 4 to 6 speed settings with 20 gear controls, and of course the replaceable massage heads, which you can see there on the box. So you have got a 60mm global head, or globicity head is what it's called. You get two of these, a 60 and a 50, and this is for large muscle groups such as the neck and thigh and spine. You get the smaller one here, which is suiting for similar areas as well. You have this mad looking one here, which is called a D head, for the relaxation and shaping of various muscle parts. It does look a bit strange. Another one here that looks a bit strange as well is just again for shaping various muscle parts. And you have this one here which is for meridian joints and muscle parts again on your foot base. So that's all about. And then this one, and that's for the massage of the neck and the Achilles tendon. So that's it. So we're going to show you how it works next. So once you power it up, charge it up should I say, this is the unit here, which looks more like a drill or a hairdryer until you turn it on. It looks like an actual speed gun that the Garda would use. Look at that. And that's it down there. It's just a simple swap on here, and this model is the PR03. So you're going to pick one of the pieces here, pop it in, and then on the back you have your battery percentage level there, and then the speed. So you have the speed here, which goes up to 30, as you can see, and that's how it works there. So you can massage the arms there like so, for example, which is really nice. And that's pretty much how it works. There's nothing really to it. There's no app, there is nothing to connect your device with. It's just simple plug in and play, and then select the speed. But it does have the AI chip as well, which I mentioned earlier, and it's got really long battery life as well, heat dissipation, and that's pretty much there is to it. The speed is adjustable, as I said, and it's not very noisy, and it's really nice and simple to control. So you just scroll down here like this by tapping this button here, and you can see what the story is there. So I'm going to change the head and pop in the other one. So that's for your Achilles tendon. So obviously not going to be showing my legs there, not only that, but it'll just basically go on your Achilles tendon. You can switch it on or off, and then you can change it. And then if you want to do this one here, it's just simple, pop it in like so, turn it on the bottom, and then press here, and you can see how it works there. So I'm going to just intensify that. So you get the gist of it there, how it's working, and you can see here how it works. So that's basically it. It's a really nice handy tool, and they're quite affordable now. These were quite expensive when they start hitting the scene, but they seem to be much more affordable nowadays. Very, very robust product as well. Nice finish on it here, nice grip on it, soft material on the outside there, and it's also not too heavy, and it's about the size of a hairdryer basically, and that's basically it. So any questions, hit us up. It does come again with a variety of accessories there in the whole package, and they have a couple of different models, which is nice to see. So you can check out all the models. We'll leave a link on the website and below. So it's a nice way of getting percussion therapy, and if you've not checked it out, you should check it out. It is quite relaxing, and I have enjoyed testing this out over the last couple of days. Any more questions, hit us up below. We'll also, again, as I said, leave a link to where you can pick these up. There's 2 different variants as far as I know, and you can check them out for yourself. One is a bit cheaper than the other, and there's something there for everyone's pocket. So you have a nice handy one that's not too expensive, and then there is another more expensive one. I think I'm just going to quickly check for you now, and yeah, they come in at 99 and 169, so it's not too bad, not expensive at all really, in fairness, when you think about it. The use you can get over, and the use cases you can get over with all these fittings here inside the box. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Actigun sent this over, didn't pay us for review, didn't get a copy approval either, and they're saying seeing this review the same time as you. Thanks for watching.